Hello, so this is a Tesa TE5 Hero. It's got tapers in it, 5 pin. I'm gonna pick off of this left side warding. Heavy tension. Medium. Okay, I gotta click out of 2, 3, click out of 3, 4, click 5. Nothing on 5. Sure jiggly. 1. May have gotten a little mushed it up a little bit. 3 is okay. 4, gonna click out of that. 5 is binding now. See if we can set that. Letting off tension a little bit. Oh. There we go. So 5 set for now. 4. I think 4 set. Got some jiggle on it anyway. Three. Okay. 2. Hard to test 2. 1. 1 is floppy. 2, I think set. 3 set. 4. It's a taper effect. I'm getting some clicks out of it. 5. Same thing. I'm letting up tension just a little bit as I do this. So I just hit 3 again. Got some movement. It's all about the taper. There it is. Okay. Picking the taper pins is pretty cool. It's a different beast. Well, let's take it apart. Okay, that's got a brass C-clip. Alright, should move you over. Okay, they're still unlocked. Best practice would be to shim this lock. However, it's a Tesa. It has really high tolerances, tight tolerances. And I know I'm not going to get a shim in there and get it open. In fact, we'll have stuff all over the place. Let's see. Really tough to get that out of there. Okay, it's going a little bit. Come on now. Let's get a couple of them out really tight. There's 2 and 1. I'll try it. Alright, very unorthodox, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Three. 4. All right. Crazy. This is the second one of these bigger Euros that I've had trouble getting a cylinder out. It's just something, I don't see anything obvious, but it's just wider at that end. Alright, so it's not dramatic, but there's some overmilling going on to take advantage of the taper pins. Let's get the tapers out. Yeah. Show you those in a second. Like all of them are gonna be. That's what LPUbelts.com said would be there. Come on. Alright, let's look at them a little closer. So the key pins got a serration on them, some of them. Any of them that are tall enough, so 1, 2, and 4 are deeper cut. And 3 and 5 are just standard. But the beauty is the drivers are all tapers, and you can see that dramatic taper on there, both ends. And I've picked tapers before, and the key to me, and what other people will tell you, is heavy tension. And I mean, when I say heavy, I mean not gorilla tension, but you gotta really maintain some tension so you don't ping pong so much. Because I picked a few of these over a couple times in order to get it open. But you can see, I mean, oh Oh, you can't see. You can see the diameter of the bottom of the pin. It's just so much smaller. It's going to just drop right back down in there. Right up on the tension just a little bit. Be fighting it all day. Anyway, that's a Tesa TE5. This is a Gregson lock. I only have one more of the 8 or so that he sent me, and it's a BKS 88, which is a beast. I've gotten it open, but I haven't filmed it yet. But I'll try to do that next. Anyway, thanks for giving it a look. Give me a comment. Have you picked a Tesa TE5? Have you picked tapers before? Do you like them? Let me know. Thanks. Bye.